Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And this is actually a late unboxing. I got this shoe like literally the day before it dropped. Like, I had put in a fucking raffle for this shoe for whatever reason, bro. And like, I won it. Like, literally they told me the day before it dropped that I won and it's getting shipped out. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm thinking it's gonna take like a couple days. No, it's just now getting here. Final sale, all that shit, whatever. This the receipt. Fuck it. And y'all should know what shoe this is, man. It's like the only one that a 12 that came out recently. So let me go ahead and get to this. Air Jordan 12 Retro. Colorway on this is gem red, black, red. Y'all already know what this is, man. And bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. Y'all that real quick. Look, let me knock this out the way. You don't need that motherfucking box, bro. Bow. Here go the shoes. Left shoe, everything goes to the right, of course. Up. I can't tell my left from my right, obviously. Left shoe, everything goes to the right. And yeah, man, let me give you that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around. Y'all already know these are Suwoo 12s or all-wheel 12s. Now let me stop playing though. I gotta get them blue joints now, man. I missed out on them blue joints. I gotta get them now that I got these red joints. I can't have these red joints and not have the blue ones. Honestly, man. Blue one should have been the first one I got. Damn, they didn't scuff these motherfuckers up. But anyways, man, let me get to that toe box right there. Mine don't have no backstroke motions. A little bit, but not really. It's soft to the touch though. It got a nice touch, nice feel to it, but it's not no premium good quality shoes. Like, it feels a little bit better back here, but it's whatever. Standard lace system for the 12s. You have that 2-3 going down the tongue. You have a black little mini size Jumpman, little tumble tongue. Little red, little aglets right there with the Jumpman symbol on there. What is this, like reptile skin? Like, a lot of people call it a whole bunch of different stuff. This right here, little mud guard, little reptile skin. You have the Jumpman. Look a little chrome, but it's a little plastic Jumpman right there. The premium feel actually comes back here. Like, back here feels a lot better than up front for whatever reason. I guess it's more, I don't know. Pull tab. Black Jumpman hint right there. 2-3 on the back and that black. And it's not really too much special about this shoe. Like, honestly, it's an all red 12. Like, it's a, I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. It's an all red 12. Black carbon fiber at the bottom. Black Jumpman, of course, goes all the way here. Black 23 right there, predominantly all red. Also, besides the carbon fiber. The inside, all black insole. You have that gem red Jumpman inside there. Regular inside, lining of the shoe. All red lace systems, nothing special about that. And yeah, man, a really basic shoe. It's just an all red 12. I mean, don't get me wrong, I got a lot of red. Red and blue is like my favorite colors. Black, I would say black, but black ain't a color. But yeah, man, but red and blue is definitely my favorite color. So I definitely gotta get the blue ones. And I gotta get those. I got the Hyper Royal 13s. I gotta get the Chicago 13s so I can do that little shit how I do it. I got the blue suede 5s and the red suede 5s. Man, but yeah, man, that's it for the video. And don't forget, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.